Okay, guys, let us look at our analysis on this Boom 600 asset. Okay, Boom 600 asset. This actually happened yesterday. In short, it started about 2 days ago, and it was a fantastic opportunity for us to win this particular asset back to back. Okay, thousands of dollars were made trading this particular asset alone. So if you actually know your ways, then definitely you will be cashing out from crypto assets like this. Naturally, we made use of the 3M custom made indicator. If you don't know more about it, you can check some other videos. You're going to see the indicators I use on my PC. Okay, so it is a custom made indicator, makes it very easy for us to analyze. But for those that are not having access to it, you can still use your mobile phone, even though that of the custom made indicator will help you to make more money and makes it very easy to analyze the market. But let us check this out together. Okay, this actually happened yesterday. Okay, after giving us an uptrend from here, and which came to an end at this point, at this resistance zone. So we quickly plug into the system yesterday and prepare for a downtrend. Okay, because we already noticed that this has gotten, it has overbought already, and it has gotten to a resistance zone. You might be wondering how we got to know that it has overbought. Okay, check it out from the window indicator. Window indicator says that the signal lines have crossed 70. They are now above 70. So once they are above 70, it shows that they have overbought. Okay, so which means we should be expecting a change around in the trend. That is, we should be expecting a sell at that point. However, before we can say that this will actually sell, we must be sure that it's not going to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so that is why if you are not using the custom made indicator, you need to be very careful when you are using a mobile setup, because once it breaks out above it, okay, it will continue to buy. Okay, if it I mean, once it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will continue to buy. Either it has overbought before or not, it will still continue to buy. That is the simple secret about this. Okay, but if it does not break out above the resistance zone, then definitely we will be having a change in direction of the trend, and that is why we don't need to jump into the trade at this resistance zone. We need to wait for it to break out below this moving average. And once that happens, and we also experience the same thing around there, then definitely we can now go into it. Okay, so before you can now go into it, make sure it breaks out below this. So this should be your entry point for a sell. Okay, and right here you can put your stop loss. Okay, so that means you can now sell downward right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you can see how easy it is. Now let's check out the outcome of this analysis. Check it out, guys. It got to this support zone, and if you should notice, at this point it has even gone below 20. So you are supposed to close your trade when it gets to 30, and if you are not closing the trade at that point, then it means that you should lock up 80% of your profit. So you are exposing 20% into the market at that point in order for you to make more profit. So guys, at this point, since it has oversold, we are expecting a change in the direction of trend, but that is if it does not break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then you should expect more sell. But if it does not break out below this support zone, then definitely it should be a buy. Okay, so you guys should watch out for this. And of course, guys, most of you don't know that we have an asset called Boom 600. Of course we do. We also have boom 900. Okay, you guys can find out about all these. Okay, so and add it up, I mean add them up to the collection of assets that you will be trading. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions down there in the comment section, and you can also contact me personally via my WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.